In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a template in ClickUp. If you want to save time and keep your work consistent, templates are a great tool to use. In ClickUp, you can apply a template to different items and locations, including a task, a doc, a list, a folder, a space, a view, or even a checklist. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the specific item or location where you want the template to be used. Make sure you're in the correct place before moving on, because this is where the template will be applied. Once you're there, click the three-dot menu for that item or location. This menu gives you access to additional options and settings. From that menu, select Templates. After that, click Browse Templates, so you can view the available options. Now, use the search feature to find the template you want to use. This is especially helpful if you already know the name of the template or if you have a large template library. When you find the right one, select the template to open its details. This gives you a chance to review it before applying it, which can help you avoid using the wrong setup. Next, click Use Template. ClickUp will then ask where the template should be applied. Choose the destination carefully so the template ends up in the correct place. After that, select the template details you want to import. Depending on the template, this may include certain settings, structure, or content, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm that only the details you need are selected. When everything looks right, click Use Template again to apply it. ClickUp will create or update the item based on that template. Once the process is complete, open the created item to review the result. This final check is important because it lets you confirm that the template was applied correctly and that everything you wanted to bring in is there. And that's all it takes to use a template in ClickUp. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in speeding up your workflow and keeping your workspace organized. If you plan to repeat similar work often, templates can be a real time saver. Thanks for watching.